Hello and welcome. Thanks again for being in class today. I want to appreciate you for liking, for sharing, for commenting, subscribing, for following. Thanks so much. Today we have these questions. We're continuing our series of solving the questions under logarithmic equations. Now we have this and we'll pick the first one. Now, solution have log of x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 11 is equals to half and to this. Now, when you have a question like this, remember the definition of logarithm. The definition of logarithm is the log of a number to a particular base is the number of times the base will be raised to give the number. And so, with the number of times this will be raised, the base will be raised. So this is going to be x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 11 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now from indices that were done in the previous topic, we know what this means. This one actually means the square root of 4 raised to the power of 1. So this one will form the denominator, will form the root, while this will form the power. 1 is the power. So it's like saying 4 raised to the power of 1. So we have, okay, let me get here 4 raised to the power of 1. So this will form the root. It will become the square root. We don't need to put it 2 again, so no need to put it 4, and then this is 1. And what is 4 raised to the power of 1? Same thing as saying the square root of 4. So let's put everything now to become x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 11 all over this. Now, 4 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 4. So, the same thing as 4. So, what's the square root of 4? 2. So, x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 11 is equals to what? 2. 4 raised to the power of 4 squared. Square root of 4 is 2. Now, this and this looks the same. This comes here, moves here, or actually you do the additive inverse, adding minus 2 here, minus 2 here. So what you have, if I do the additive inverse and I add minus 2 here, it will be x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 11. Do the additive inverse of 2. It's going to be minus 2. The additive inverse is minus 2, and it's going to be 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. And 11 minus 2 is what? 11 minus 2 is 9 plus 6x plus x raised to the power of 2. So here you can see we arrived as a quadratic equation. Now I do want you to, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and like your comments. If you have a question, please also put it down. You subscribe so you see other videos where as I upload videos, you see videos that will help you in your maths. So from here we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 9 is equals to 0. So you ask yourself, what two numbers will I multiply by itself to give me this? And when I add them, they will give me this. So we already know that if I multiply, I've done this in previous videos, especially when I was treating the exponential equation. So you want to go back to the previous videos and watch how I did this, how you found the factors of this. So you have, if I add or subtract, it's going to give me 6. If I multiply, it's going to give me 9. So what are those two numbers? I think 3. 3 times 3 will be it, and 3 plus 3 will give me this. So what variant is it going to be? 3 times minus 3, 3 plus 3 times plus 3, or minus 3, and times plus 3, or minus 3 minus 3. So which will give us this. So without much ado, no, plus times minus. So from here you determine. Now it is, if I do the multiplication now, if I do, let me look for this first. Times plus times minus is minus, so it's going to be minus 9. But this is plus 9 we have, so this one is already wrong. And if I do the adding of this, 3 plus 3 minus 2 gives us 0. So this combination will not work. It's giving us 0 and minus 9. It won't work. If I do this, now let's put a times. Plus times plus is plus. Is looking like this. That's correct. And then if I use addition, 3 plus 3 is 6. Oh, that's good. It's giving us plus 6. This one is correct. So I haven't got this. I haven't got these two. We may not continue with this, or let me just do it to prove that these ones are wrong. If I put a times here, minus times plus is what? Minus. It gives 3 times 3 is 9, so it's already wrong because we're actually looking for plus 9. So there's no, and okay, fine. If I say okay, plus minus 3 plus 3 means I'm owing $3 and I'm paying $3. Am I still owing? No. But am I having anything? No. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So it doesn't give us this. So this combination is wrong, just like this. Minus, if I put times here, minus times minus give us plus. 3 times 3 is 9. It's looking like this. But let's determine if this will be okay. If I make here a plus, minus 3 means I'm owing $3. And I'm also owing $3, and I'm also owing James $3. Am I still owing? Yes. I'm owing Frank $3 and I'm also owing James $3. How much am I owing altogether? Minus 6. So it's not this. I'm looking for plus 6, but this is plus 6 and plus 9. So what combination gives me the answer? It is actually plus 3 and plus 3. So this one is correct. These other combinations are wrong. So as we proceed now, I've done this quickly because I've done this a number of times. So you want to do yourself a good of looking at the previous videos so you get to know how it's solved. Then look at the previous videos and see. So now what we have is going to be, we'll use this 3x and 3x to represent it. So this will actually essentially become 3x, so this becomes x squared, this plus 3x plus 3 plus 3x plus 3x, and then this plus and this 9 is equals to 0. So what we do is that we group them in 3 in twos, this and this, this and this, so and okay. This is grouped with this is grouped with this. Now what we'll now do is that we look for what is common in each of the brackets and bring them out. This one is essentially x times x, and this is 3 times x, and this is 3 times x, and this is 3 times 3. So what is here? What is here that is also here? X is here and x is here, so bring it out. So we have x out, 6x remains, this plus is this plus, and this 3 is here. So this is done. Okay, let me just 3 times x. Now here, what is here that is also here? 3 is here and 3 is also here. So I bring 3 out. But then plus times plus is what? Plus. And then x remains here and plus remains and 3 remains. So 3 was here, so it is out. Now, what you will now discover is that what is inside here is also inside here. These two looks alike. They must look alike. Now, to tell you you're correct. Now, you bring this and this together to form one in a bracket. So this is going to be x plus 3, and then it's going to be x plus 3. So I've taken these two, I've picked one out of it to represent it. While this and this are formed this. It just appeared that the both look alike. But I've just told you what happened. This and this are represented by one of it, and this come together here. Now, it's the same thing as saying x plus 3 is equals to assign their separate zeros, or, x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now, x, if you do the additive inverse of this, because I'm looking for x, what's the additive inverse of 3 minus 3. So it's going to be 3 minus 3 is equals to minus 3. Or x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to minus 3. So what you do is do the additive impact to the right and the left. Also the right and the left. So 3 minus 3 cancel, so x remains, say x is equals to minus 3. Or x, 3 cancel, so 3 minus 3 is 0 actually. So it's actually x plus 0. And then this is minus 3 here. So we have minus 3 here and minus 3 here. Okay. The step before this is actually x, and this one becomes 0 as opposed to minus 3. So x plus 0 is x minus 3. And this is the same thing, x minus 3 minus 3 is 0 is equals to minus 3. And then x minus 3 is x is equals to minus 3. So this is our final answer. Very simple. Now, you want to try your hands on this. Try it. Thank you so much. If you do not understand, send a comment, like, share, and also tell your friends that you're getting something here. See you again in the next class. Have this as your assignment. Thank you.